Good morning, guys. So I'm here at an ADU we're building, and this is gonna be a rental. So it is a nice ADU. We wanted a decent valve, but not something that is extremely expensive. And I'm really impressed with these valves we found on Amazon. Take a look. Matt's getting ready to install this valve right here. Take a look how this comes out of the box. It has a level, and then it has your PEX connection points. It has a really nice protection box, and the quality of it is actually really good. This is a product, it's made by KES. We got this on Amazon, and we'll put the link in below. But here it has a handheld, and the quality is really good. This is made out of a stainless, and it has some weight to it. This is solid brass, these fittings here, and that's got some weight. And now you have a rain head, shower head. You've got your cover. So here you have a diverter and you have your valve. So you don't need to get a diverter separate. And then you have your handheld. And even the handheld, take a look at that. Has a nice little drawing on that. I would definitely recommend getting this valve if you're looking for something that is a good quality but has good value.